Carlos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with one of our upgraded towing mirrors built for any 2008 through 2016 Ford Super Duty, F250, 350, 450, and 550. Our towing mirror is built with an integrated turn signal. It's designed to be manual folding and manual extending, which increases road safety and visibility. In addition, it also comes with the same 4-pin mounting locations, OE connector, and base plate as your vehicle for easy installation. Our tow mirror also has a larger manually adjusted upper mirror and a lower panoramic mirror, both having a combined length of 13 inches by 9 inches, with the mirror itself having an overall length of 17 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 19 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. Our tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.